안녕하세요. 헤라키친입니다. 오늘은 다양한 요리에 활용하기 좋고 다이어트에도 도움이 되는 당근 라페를 만들어 보려고 해요. 한번 만들어 두면 일주일이 든든한 건강한 당근 라페 만들기와 활용 요리 시작합니다. 먼저 깨끗이 씻은 당근은 가늘게 채 썰어 주세요. 소금 한 스푼을 넣고 10분에서 20분간 절여주세요. 절여진 당근에서 물이 나오면 물기를 꼭 짜주세요. So let your light shine without holding it in. Love yourself and don't give in. And when you feel the harmony, smile with the sons of the galaxies. 이제 레몬즙, 올리브유, 홀그레인 머스터드, 꿀, 후추를 넣고 잘 섞어주세요. 입맛에 맞게 레몬즙과 꿀의 양은 조절해주세요. Lila, you're perfect like you are, a sublime creation. Good to play yourself small. Such a waste, such a waste of your beauty. 새콤달콤 아삭한 식감이 좋은 건강한 당근 라페 완성이에요. 이제 냉장 보관하면서 여러 요리에 활용하시면 좋습니다.
I miss you mostly all the time. I think I made a big mistake to let you go, 'cause I'm getting lonely by the day, and days are passing faster ever since you've gone away. I miss you mostly all the time. So many things have changed around since you have changed your mind, wondering who you're with today. If you're thinking about me ever since you've gone away, and I've gotta toughen up. I whisper to the mirror, remember how it felt before. I never wanted to get in, I never wanted it until you shut the door. Mostly all the time. I think I made a big mistake to let you go, 'cause I'm getting lonely by the day, and days are passing faster ever since you've gone away. So now I've gotta toughen up. I whisper to the mirror, remember how it felt before. I never wanted to get in, I never wanted it until you shut the door.
do you? Are you? What is your favorite season and hue? Let's take a trip out to LA. We can chill, we'll get crazy. It doesn't really matter to me. I just need you. We can see midnight in Paris. Then we can.
지금까지 시청해주신 여러분 감사합니다. 영상이 조금이라도 도움이 되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 해놓으시면 다음 영상 놓치지 않고 보실 수 있습니다.